Hi, in this video we're going to use Venn diagrams to solve a problem. It says in a group of 24 students, 9 students like physics, 13 like maths, whilst 5 like neither. Draw a Venn diagram representing this information. Use your Venn diagram to find A, how many students like both physics and maths, and B, how many students like one subject only. So drawing a Venn diagram, and assuming some like both, the rectangle represents the universal set. These represent the students studying physics, and these represent the students studying maths or like maths. So let a number in the like both be x. We'll call this one x. And then the number like physics only is going to be, well, there were 9 students who like physics, so it's going to be 9 take away x. And the number that like maths only is going to be 13 minus x. We know out here that 5 liked neither. That's how we represent it. P union M, but not it. So the number in the universal set is 24, so all these must add up to 24. So forming an equation, 9 minus x plus 13 minus x plus 5, don't forget the plus 5, must be equal to 24. So minus x and x will cancel out, then 9 plus 13 plus 5 makes 27. So 27 minus x is equal to 24, and therefore x is equal to 3. So filling in the numbers, this is 3. This will be 9 minus 3, which is 6. This will be 13 minus 3, which is 10. And then 6 plus 3 plus 10, it makes 24. Then the number like both physics and maths, well, that's going to be the same as x, which is 3. And then the number who like but one subject only is going to be these here and these here. So it's going to be 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. Make sure you show how you've got your answer. So there's been a video to show you how to use a Venn diagram to solve a practical problem. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.